Are you someone who works shifts in order to provide for your family, in order to make ends meet and live the lifestyle you prefer? If so, that's pretty awesome. What's not awesome are the risks associated with working at night. Often, shift workers suffer in silence with sleep deprivation because they do not have the information they need to sleep well during the day and function well at night. Most shift workers feel excessively sleepy all the time and as a result have trouble focusing, are less productive, more fatigued, and less alert and happy at home and work. Our e-learning program was developed so we could reach as many shift workers as possible with evidence-based sleep education. We're going to teach you how to train your brain for shift work so you can live your best life while working shifts. It is possible to live a safe and healthy life as a shift worker with the help of evidence-based sleep education. Sleep researchers have done the work. Now you get to learn and live the benefits. With sleep training for shift workers, you'll learn to sleep better so you can live better on any shift.